everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we are going to be thrifting my Pinterest and Instagram outfit goals. I don't really know what to call this video, but I'm basically thrifting the outfits. I look at Instagram and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love it. But most of the places they get their stuff is from fast fashion brands, and I'm trying to limit what I buy from them. But I've got a little bit of a haul from this trip today. I'm going to show you the pieces individually because I'm kind of going to compile this video and show you all the items to make up one outfit. And yeah, let's get going. So the first item I picked up to recreate an outfit was this gorgeous bandana-y style scarf. It is a silky material and I am planning on wearing this as a top. So if you'd like to see how I style that, then just keep watching. But this was £2.99 from British Heart Foundation. It's a really silky material and you get quite a lot of material, which is good because I've got a bit bigger boobs than the girls who are doing these scarf tops and I don't know how it's going to quite work, but stay tuned to see how that goes. But yeah, I really like this. I like the colour. I liked that I could wear it with sort of darker wash jeans, so I really liked that. Right, so I'm actually super impressed. So what I've done is I've literally, wearing my normal bra, I've just tucked down the straps. I know at the back I'd probably have to tie it around it and be careful of the back as I'm not going out like this. It's fine, there'll be a way around it. I'm thinking I could wear a little band underneath it, but I actually think from the front it's super cute. So what I did, I just folded it in half and tied it around and just tucked my bra straps in, as I don't actually have a strapless bra currently, but I actually love the look of this. I think you can style it in so many different ways and I really like this, and I think I'm going to get pretty close to the original with this one. And I find for you bigger boobed ladies, we're kind of worried about this trend and if you like it and whether you'd be able to pull it off or not. I think with the right strapless bra, the right tying, you'd be fine. And actually I feel super secure in this. Obviously as I was wearing it out, I'd probably pin it around my bra, as I say, I'd probably just pin it up, so I'd be okay all the way across. But I actually think this is such a cute little top. I really like this one, and I think with some jeans this is a super cute outfit. And let's see how close we got to the original. Another trend I'm loving is mini bags. I think everyone's loving the mini bag trend. I will insert some of my inspiration pictures here, but I literally love them. And I found this Fiorelli, can't say that brand, but we all know what it is. And it is this gorgeous mini bag. It does look vintage. This was £5.99 and I just thought this super cute. You also, if I don't like the branding, come wear it and the other side's just got a zip. But I think these are super practical. They're kind of big enough that you can fit all your essentials in for a night out. Not that any of us are getting a night out, but I think this is really cute. And as I say, £5.99 for a little black one. I have a little brown shoulder bag I love and wear all the time, so having a black one, it will hopefully go a bit more, and I love this. So if you'd like to see how I style it, then just keep watching. So for my beautiful small bag, I've seen a lot of these paired with just plain tops. Obviously these are a great versatile bag, you can wear them with whatever, but I think this is the perfect sort of shopping outfit, just sort of everyday. Obviously I probably will wear a nude bra underneath this because, little tip, if you're wearing white tops and your white bra is showing underneath, put on a nude bra and then it won't show. So that's a good tip, as this bra is white, you can clearly see it. But I think this kind of gives it a little extra, makes sure you try it a little bit more. Plus, as I say, you can fit loads of stuff in here. So let's see how close I got to the original with this bag. Obviously there's lots of different pictures in our inspiration, but I love my baby bag and I think it's a very, very good purchase. Another trend I've been loving is these gorgeous oversized brightly coloured shirts that are popping up on screen now that everyone's wearing. They look gorgeous, but from Pretty Little Thing and Misguided and all that brands, they are so expensive. They're like £35 upwards, and that is just ridiculous. Even if you get one on sale for 20 quid, like, the charity shops are full of large men's shirts, and I'm going to show you which one I got to recreate this look. So this shirt was from British Heart Foundation. It was £7.98 and it is this gorgeous pink, but it's not just pink. Where is it? It's on this side. It is a Ralph Lauren pink and white stripy shirt. I've got quite bright lights on at the moment, so it's kind of drowning it out. But I will insert a clip of me wearing it and styled, how these lovely Pinterest ladies are styling it. But I just think the colours in this are gorgeous. It's really nice, sort of vibrant pink, and I just love that. And I just think I was umming and ahhing. It was £7.98 and that's quite expensive for a charity shop, but for the brand I think that's so great and so worth it. So I really loved that. Right, so to style this shirt, I put my inspiration picture up here. But I do have a lace bodysuit, I think, but I'm actually going to my nan and granddad today, so that's not super appropriate. I'm going to take my shirt, and I'm just wearing this Zara top, which I was new from Zara. But these are quite cheap, you get them anywhere. You can also find them in the charity shops. And I'm styling it with some Matalan jeans. These are actually skinny jeans. I know in the picture she was wearing oversized, but with my body type, because I'm not super stick thin, if I wear oversized jeans and an oversized shirt, it will just be too much oversized and I'll just look like a blob. And then also styling it with this bag. I got this when I was abroad. It's just like a Valentino, but not like fancy Valentino. And I'm also going to style it with these Nike Jordan shoes. But I will show you the finished picture. So the last thing for now, until I go on the next thrifting trip, is this gorgeous leather jacket. Now I've been seeing oversized leather jackets, longer jackets, shorter jackets, big jackets, everything leather. And I would never buy real leather, like first hand, normally from a shop. But this is second hand, I don't mind as much. And this is actually reduced from £12.99 to £6.49. And it is this genuine leather, kind of longer length, a bit of a matrix style but not too long coat, and it is super heavy, and it's sort of this super deep brown, almost black colour, which I think is good because I can probably get away with it being black or brown, sort of depending on what outfit I need to. Obviously you'll see it better on in the try on, but I really liked this and thought I can style this really fun, and I think this is a fun, interesting piece and kind of challenges me to wear something a bit different. I've got a long snake print coat that I love, that's sort of a leather look, but to have a blackish brown one I think is super handy, so I'm so excited to wear this. So for the leather jacket, I've just styled it underneath the white top and some black trousers. This is kind of my inspo pick here, but as I said when I picked this up, it's kind of like a inspired by. I'm also going to pair it with my white Nikes again, and probably a white bag, probably again a Valentino one, just kind of a monochromatic look, which I like. So let's see how close I got to the inspiration pick here. I'm back from another thrifting trip and I found the thing that I've been looking for, and I don't know if it's going to suit me, but I'm just gonna show you. So this was from the outlet store, which is I think it's Haven's Hospice Haven's Hospices, and it's in Basildon. This was from the brand Easy Classic Collection. It's in an extra large. It was £2. I'm just going to show you. It's a sweater vest. It's in grey. It's got a logo on the chest, and it was £2. So I've been seeing these styled, as I'm sure you're seeing popping up on the screen, with shirts, with jeans, all different ways to style these, and I love the trend, but I don't know if I can pull off the trend, so I wouldn't want to spend a lot of money getting one and then not potentially wearing it enough. But for £2, I think this is amazing. It's a lovely dark grey, which means it'll go with a lot of colours, and I think this can be super cute. So I'm going to try and style this up as best as I can, but for £2, I literally was like, I need it. That's so good. And this is definitely something I see in the charity shops quite a lot. Jumpers, shirts, all that sort of jazz. Like the oversized shirt trends I've spoken about already are so on trend at the moment, and they are all the charity shop has at the moment. So definitely try this out. I do think I kind of lucked out a bit with this because I don't necessarily think there'll be loads around. I think a lot of people will be looking for them. But for £2, this shop, everything was £2 and under, which is just amazing. Did I mention it was £2? Did I mention? So super happy with that. So this is the sweater vest. I actually really like it how it is. Let me pan you down a little bit. So I've just popped it on with some dad jeans, which I quite like. These from Pretty Little Thing. I'm thinking to style this up, I might tuck it in my bra a little bit. Let me look in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I'm thinking tucked in my bra a little bit and then kind of pulled out, make it into a bit like more of a crop top. I actually really like the shape of the neckline. I find it really flattering. I actually really like this. I think for more spring and summer when it's a bit warmer, obviously you can wear it just like this, but also it'll be fun to pair something underneath it as well. But I really like this, so let's see how it compares to the original picture. So I think my favourite is this top. I think out of all the things I found, this is my favourite. But let me know what your favourite was in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already. Let me know if you like this style of video, if you want me to be creating more pics. Maybe I'll ask you guys to send me in stuff and I'll have to try and find it. But if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite thing was, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!